Morning all. Once upon a time, our lovely neighbours across the road asked me to make an altar table for them, just so they can put their fancy stereo on in their new living room. And if you remember, I made an altar table many months ago for the Jean-Pierre suite, and that's where they saw the altar table and said, could you make me one? So after a little visit to our local wonderful oak woodyard, we bought a beautiful slab which was aged and it's lovely, and I've had it planed, lovely oak top. However, I had a problem with the legs, but this was another piece of wood that was from the same place, but it was green. And this is what I say about green timber. I don't know if you can see that. So that has gone every which way it wants to go. And of course, with that in mind, if I did things with it now, dimensioned it, I'd probably get a little sliver out of it like that, about that thick. So we can't use this. So I went to my other impromptu woodyard, Mr. Gunther, and Gunther came up with this. He's got some great slabs of, this is beech. It's really nice, close grain, but we've got to turn this into something not necessarily twisty like this, but dimensionally like this. Stay tuned, because it may be a long process. So the next step, now that the bark's all off, is to try and figure out how to get straight edges and to get as much wood straight 90 degrees as I can out of all these pieces, so then I can join them all together and then make the size I want. All they were originally designed for is firewood. So we're going to try and make something, a flat sled to go through the planer to give me a flat edge, and then once I've got a flat edge, I might be able to make something, put something on there to run the sides off on the table saw. But it's going to be a long process. Take this off of here. Right, we're at glue up stage. So I've dimensioned all my timber. This is how thick the legs are going to be, and they're going to be round about this wide. This slightly just means a little bit of trim up, but I thought let's do this now. So we've got to glue these together and then leave them for at least a day. It says half an hour with this stuff. This is really good. This, if you're ever doing woodworking, use this. They do it in a variety of flavours. This particular flavour is the original and is very, very good for interior stuff. The blue one is good for exterior and interior. The green one, they do so many different ones. The green one is gives you a bit more time. It's type 1 original, type 1 2, type 1 3. Fantastic stuff. And this is why woodworkers have many clamps. You can never have enough clamps. That's that. We'll leave that for a day and come back and have a look. And that'll do. That'll work. Right, let's do the other one. Right, so that's the leg. As you see, we've got the foot and the bit that attaches that to that and goes into the top. Right, so we're ready to put this thing together and then take it over to our customer. Yep, you in?
Yep, I'm in.
Wait.
Yep,
just position it up there. Right.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy the fact that it's a fairly repeatable job. I
Yeah.
can do that again.
We shall say, are you happy with it? Vous êtes heureuse? Ouais. So, that was rather successful, wasn't it?
Well, I'm glad they liked it, which is good. It was a lot of work, but enjoyable work. I'm glad. Yeah, it's another skill learnt.
Oh, it just amazes me that you can literally turn firewood into a table. The gas
Standing
on.
next to the gas. Shouldn't stand there. Yeah, it's amazing what you can do with just a few tools and a bit of imagination.
It's beautiful.
Thank you very much. You're very kind.
Anyway, that's us for this week. We've got a few thanks to be done. And first of all is the Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you so much to Curly Whirly Shirley.
Curly Whirly Shirley. You're Curly Whirly Shirley now. Hope you're all right, love. Hope you're all right.
Yeah.
Dear Graham Mobbs, thank you so
Graham
much.
and Fiona,
Graham.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the both of you.
And Mr. J. Hansen. I don't know your first name, but Mr. J. Hansen.
It could be Jay.
It could just be Jay.
It could be Jay.
J. Hansen sounds quite
And thank you for the super thanks. Thank you, Jennifer.
Yes,
very
Jennifer
kind
Cook.
of Jennifer Cook. Thank you so much. It is all gratefully received. We love your interaction and we love your generosity.
Thank you so much, everybody. And don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up, and check your subscribe because they keep taking people off.
Yeah, it keeps going up and down. I won't say like a yo-yo.
And don't forget, if you'd like to buy us a coffee, the link is in the description. If you'd like to become a patron, the link is also in the description. But there is going to be a little special vlog for Christmas, which is stuff that normally our patrons only get to see.
Oh, that'd be a bit of fun for you lot.
So next week will be a bit of a special one.
Yeah.
But anyway, take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, comment.
Yeah.
See you all soon.
Have a good week. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.